We're at Groundfest 2024 and I'm here with Spencer, the Managing Director of Kress, and we're going to talk through some of the products in their range. Can you tell me a bit more about the RTK on the robots?
Yeah, morning Michael, great to see you. Yeah, and welcome to Groundfest. It's a really big event, bigger than last year, so that's great. Yeah, Kress RTK, we've got the really good coverage now in the UK of our network, so there's no need to have any reference stations anywhere we locate a robot. And that's the biggest advantage I think that most people have had using the Kress system against our competitors. No reference points needed, no boundary wires needed, all app-based sort of installation. So that's been a big drive for us in 2024. I think we'll see some bigger growth for 2025 as well. And we've got the ranges for both commercial use and for professional use and residential use.
Have you found that dealers have preferred installing that over ones with reference points and having to remote control it around the garden?
Yeah, I mean, we use a mapping cart system. You attach your mobile phone to the mapping cart, and then it's very quick and easy to map and edit and amend. So the dealers are loving it because it's a faster install, an easier install, and has less issues than the old boundary wire system.
So how have you found commercial landscapers are taking on battery? And why are they choosing Kress?
Yeah, it's not been an easy conversion.
Yeah.
People seem to love petrol too much, but it's noisy, it's very polluting, and so we want the industry to really change a little bit faster than they are right now. We think that we've got a great solution. We think we've got the only commercial solution for battery, so offering petrol power but with electric, and so that's why we have to do displays like this, educate people, educate the dealers that there is technology now that can replace petrol.
Yeah. Okay, can you tell us a bit more about the Cyber Tank, how it works?
Absolutely. So the Cyber Tank is both 7.7 kilowatts and 5.5 kilowatts. It's sort of like the fuel station for the landscape crew they take with them. And we do a DC to DC charge, and we can charge 11 amps from 0 to 100% in 8 minutes. And that's unprecedented. You know, it took nearly 10 years of investment in the technology and the chemicals to create a charging system that doesn't generate heat, because that's what really kills cells, but charges really quickly. And that's been the benefit for us, it's been fast charging.
Yeah. Can you tell us a bit more about the Cyber Pill, or Cyber Capsule, I think?
The Cyber Capsule, yeah, so that's coming into the market now and in for next year. It's a new 25 amp hour battery in small format, so people can just take more energy with them. If they want to use the backpack, if they want to use a mower, they can also direct charge off of that as well. You can charge the small 4 amp about 8 times.
So Spencer, what can you tell us about the professional range of Kress equipment?
Yeah, sure, Michael. So this is our professional range, really designed for the mid-sized landscaper. It's really good value. It's the next one down from the commercial range. It offers 60 volt and 40 volt. So depending on the size of your workload and the sort of round you have as a business, you can tailor it to that. 60 volt, still quite fast charging, and it's got a complete set of all grass trimmers, brush cutters, hedge cutting, chainsaws. And it also moves into our power tool range. So the same battery on the 20 volt, 40 volt, you can actually have power tools and garden tools running off the same system.
And these batteries will work with these tools and will all interchange with commercial equipment?
The 60 volt, yes. You can use the higher spec in the lower spec product, but you can't use the lower spec in the higher.
Okay.
Yeah, because obviously the capacity of the product.
Yeah. Okay.
So, Michael, I just want to turn the tables a little bit.
Okay.
I want to ask you a few questions. When did you start trading with Kress?
Yeah, so we started trading with Kress. We met you guys at Soltex last year, and we sort of went from there. We had our rep come down, and we started the process in September.
Very good. What drew you to the Kress brand?
The fact that you guys will stock our workshop and then we have sale or return, and also we can't find anything better in the commercial range and the robots. It's just so easy for us to install, they work great every time, so it's just what we wanted. We want to supply quality, and that's why we went with Kress.
Excellent. And your customers like it?
Yes, yeah, all of our customers like it. Yeah, they're happy to do testimonials of all the products they've had. They love the robots. They say, I wish that I got them sooner.
How are you finding installing RTK?
Yeah, installing RTK is very easy for us. We just use the app on our phone, get 3 green lights, walk around the garden, and it just works. And it's just amazing. Right, thank you very much, Spencer.
Thanks, Michael. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.